Hey man, what's good, man? Shout out to everybody out there that's supporting the brand, Today we're on a business trip to restock our machines in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We'll be taking more trips to scout out more locations. It's me and my daughter on the train, and we're going to Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Stop looking like that. Ew, bro, that's weird.
It's more nicer over here, bro. Dubai dude, see how you doing. Dang, it looks nice, bro. Looks like he's doing good right there. How much you think he's charging? The same price? 15. He went down in price, 7, 15. Dang, he did go down a lot. He used to sell for 12, 15. Then he did go down in price. That's when it was booming. Now, like, it's worth less. Dang, bro, you empty. Yeah. They stop all that shaking shit. Have they bought these yet? They just bought these like 2 or 3 days ago. Not these. Scratch. Oh, you haven't even seen it like in person? Nah, I never seen it, bro. What you have up top? What's that? What you have up top? The 3-pack of Red Bulls. 3-pack? Dang, they loving it, bro. Somebody put 2 turns in it. Like the sign, I put that instead. How you print this off? I have like a little portable. Oh man, that's cool. Yeah, it look badass, bro. Oh, you put the Pokeballs on the side too? Oh, yes, track. Oh, that's tight. Oh, this one it failed? I don't know what happened there. I think it got scratched up. Got scratched? Mine got dented too a little bit. When getting it over here. Getting it over here? Yeah. Oh, that's dope. How you do that? The stickers. And the inside. And I put these. Have they bought one of these yet? I haven't yet. I haven't for 140. 140? That's the new set, the Mega. Yeah. Today. Some reason, they don't like these. They don't like this for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's the pickle, They just bought this one. They bought that one? 2 hours ago. Oh, that's the one for 50? Yeah. What's this red coin? It's triggering, bro. I'm just looking at it. Yeah, it's just, it comes with a 4-pack. So. It's all different. Mine's just like white, bro. Yeah. Inside. You like it better black or white? What do you think looks better? I don't know, I think black. Black. I think black because it stands out. That's dope. Dang. It has the wheels on there, bro.
It looks a lot taller, huh?
It does look a lot taller.
I think it's like, what, 4 inches?
Yeah. I'm like 6'1", bro. This is like...
6'1"? So, yeah, it's like 6'5", 6'6".
Yeah, 6'5", 6'6".
Yeah, it's like 6'6".
Yeah.
It's almost 7 foot.
Yeah, it looks badass, bro. I like the way you... Where you get these at, bro? These images?
I just use AI, ChatGPT.
ChatGPT?
Same thing, use ChatGPT to create those images.
They usually pop me on Pokemon, bro.
Like, this one's pretty cool.
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
But I need to change those images because I had those for a while now, so let me switch them up.
Recycle them.
Look at this one.
Oh, they left it. Oh, you put the box in it?
Yeah. That's your box.
Yeah, I know.
They've actually been touching it, so I don't know if they've been wondering, but
Just be wiping their boogers on that shit. You be seeing it on the screen?
then that one's will turn on. That I need to change. I just put the 151 back there, just because it's more valuable than, so I just put it there.
You know what I usually do? I put the 151, with locker 151.
That's what I was gonna do.
Yeah, that's what you gonna do?
Yeah, I was gonna do that and charge 151.
Yeah, 151.
Yeah, just to mess up the one.
No, it's cool too if you print out this image, right? And then you paste it. You cut this out, but you paste it over it like this.
Yeah.
So it's like a theme 151. That's what I did with the other pack. Yeah, it looks badass. When you gonna restock?
I need to find the product because you know the Pokemon stuff that
Yeah.
I got, well, it was for gear, but
Down.
But I was gonna say too if I could get some packs over there, like Pokemon packs.
Yeah. Just bring it over
I
here.
need to stock some stuff over there.
That's badass, bro.
Just not to shake it, 'cause I had that for a while.
I have an Uzi right here. Oh, got the camera in there.
And then like this, and then I put insert exact change on there. Because you know we haven't fixed that.
That Billy stuff?
Yeah, so I just put insert exact change on there.
Will that vehicle running around? Will that
So exact change, that's why I put everything 50, 20. This is a mystery box. It's 65. But what I did is I put like Pokemon stuff and I also put a $5 bill in there.
Oh, $5
So
bill.
technically it's $60, but
That's what I do too. Like I'll give them the money, but I'll still charge them for it.
yeah. So like if you're rewarded like getting it,
Getting it.
even though like they paid it with it.
Yeah, they paid it with. That would be cool though. If it had like this, we get a bigger one this time, but we put 2 lockers on each side.
If we upgrade it, 2 lockers.
Yeah, 2
That's already
lockers,
a lot of
bro.
product. I mean, it's already a lot of product for this.
Unless we do one, we get a frozen locker too, because we can get these for.
Yo, what if one is gonna be for Pokemon and One Piece and another one just for exotic snacks?
Yeah, exotic snacks.
Could be.
Yeah, but with the lockers,
Or ramen?
yeah, we could. But we could get one locker. We could get it like refrigerated. And we could put the ice cream in there. You know those little ice creams?
How much do you think one of the refrigerator? Well, can we connect it with it?
Yeah, you can
You think
connect it
it'll
with
be
it.
power for it or no?
No, it'll work. Cause look at the back. I don't know if you ever noticed this. They get over here. See these little holes?
Yeah.
So those little holes, they sell the little things, the connector pieces. You punch the hole out,
Yeah.
and then you connect it to the motherboard, and then you can connect another one on.
But only 2 though. That's the most.
The dude told me 2, but I know for each port you can connect, bro.
So you turn it to like 6. So that would be cool if I just did the whole thing as a wall over here, like
Yeah, as a wall.
have this as a mother in the middle and just create like a whole.
Like a wing, like this.
Right, like this. So like this would be here, but have like this square. Or have 2 of these, one bendo facing this one bendo facing this way, and then like have like that squared off.
Yeah, you can have it like squared out. It'd be cool if they let you be against the wall though. Like that over there, you go. She's singing a song. There, come on. She's Japanese. She's singing that song, bro.
The kid knows Japanese.
I know. That's cool, bro.
The kid knows Chinese and Japanese.
You sound singing. I'm like, this.
Like, how do you do this?
What does it mean, bro? You ever wondered that?
Yeah, all I know is like, what the?
I wonder what that shoe cleaner do that.
Yeah.
Bro, that's new. I never seen that. They sell Pokemon in there too.
But they don't sell whole boxes. So.
Oh.
That's new Victoria.
Victoria. Bro, she was on beat with it too.
Yeah, like, what?
I was like, bruh, I was like, the hell? Bro, this look badass stuff. Bro, they love the 3-packs, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm. See, they don't like this one. They like the 3-pack. So that's what I'm telling you. Like, if you do 3-packs on these 2 screens, they're gonna do really good at Conley.
Alright, we can do it.
I've been doing $40 for the 3-packs.
40? Okay.
Yeah. So that's what I do. I give them an option to do 3-packs, or they just purchase a whole
They
box.
just purchase a whole box. Okay.
So 3-packs here, and then if they want, they can
They
purchase
probably
a
just
box
do the
here.
math on it if they get 3. Oh, I have these in the car. Remind me to give them to you.
Which ones?
These
ones?
Yeah, these pieces.
Oh, those pieces. Yeah.
Yeah, the springs.
Okay.
They even bought one of these too.
Yeah, I need to fill this whole row up, man. Everything I need to. I need to buy a lot of products. I'll take a picture.
So cool, but I don't like how it's so high up. It should be just time.
You gotta climb it.
I want to climb it. Can we?
You're not gonna climb it.
I really want it to.
Yeah, watch out what you put in your hands.
Hey, Dad, do you think a kid has ever made it down and back after climbing there?
Yeah.
Probably not. 'Cause some kids are afraid of falling. Some of them might have let go and then dropped all the way to the ground. So what? Oh, thank you, last time alone. Oh.
The kids climb all the way up there.
Something to drink, Dad. I just want something to drink.
What about this? What they sell here? Yeah, I've heard of it. For real? Yeah.
Let me think.
Chicken. Rice and
Oh, please, Dad. Daddy, what are those called? These. Looks like candy.
yes, man.
That's maybe not as there. Thirsty. Daddy, what do we have to do with the banana?
See, this one we'll put on the machine. Bro, that'd be
I'm
different,
thirsty.
bro.
I'm gonna have one of my meal.
Oh yeah. Dead. I got some water in the Going back.
Let me check.
Ouch, in my knee.
Yeah, an hour and a half to get back home.
Everybody's getting off right now. They've been shaking it, bro. Dang, look at all that space in there. They come over here. Bro, you can put like big freaking Pokemon boxes in here. Look at all this space right here. The drop space. Which one? Today. Oh, the only thing is, I only have one key to this. But we can switch it out.
I thought it was just gonna be us though.
Yeah, see, like here on this place, I think we're together.
I think so too.
Look.
Call Naima. Did you put the stop?
No, I didn't set stop.
Let me set the stock then. I think that was bothering me.
You got your keys, or?
Now I'll give them to you. I did notice something weird, bro. So when I opened this, I saw this like this, look. But I don't know if I did it the last time. Remember I told you this is a ghost key, right?
Yeah.
So this one, when I came, it was like that. But you can only do that with this key that's sawed off, but the other one you can't do it with. So if you ever stick this in and you can't get it, you gotta put this one back in like this, then just turn it back straight. See the knob? I saw it like sitting up. I was wondering if somebody tried to pick it, bro.
Someone tries to pick it. I mean, it's obvious. It's kind of hard to be in this area.
Unless they be like this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. They got like two buddies that kind of like just blocking it. I know those dudes came over here and checked out, like, oh, where's the machine?
Who?
There's dudes from,
For real?
no, I wonder if they came over here and checked out.
I wonder if they did too. They literally bought all of it. If this sell out, then shit, we need to buy more.
You said stock already?
Yeah, that's just
All right.
Remember I gave you that loose key too?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be better.
Yeah.
I think the other one confused me because it was just that one, but I think they're gonna get it.
I mean, it's a lot when you place the machines and stuff.
Life is not a straight path. It is a tide that rises and falls, a sky that shifts between light and shadow. We climb, believing we've reached something permanent, only to tumble.
All right, Dad, come on. Today.
This elevator must be old. That's why it takes so long. Ice cups.
San Bernardino, Riverside, Fullerton, and then on to downtown Los Angeles. If you have a reserved coach seat, please remain inside of the station until our coach attendant walks in here to assign.
Huh? Oh, it can go both ways. It don't have to turn around. I never knew that. Look, skybox. That's the skybox. See it? See it?